Hello everyone, today we are going to make beautiful knot design. You can transform your outfit instantly with a beautiful scarf or stole. Look how pretty this is looking. Simply tie a knot and it's done. A vibrant scarf can elevate any outfit, adding color and flair. For more creativity, you can watch this video as tutorial. Look how we are tying knot at the center of the top and look, it is done. Today we are going to learn how to tie a scarf unique knots for a chic appearance. This video is a demonstration for versatile technique to refresh your wardrobe. As you can see, we are going to tie a knot using this red printed scarf. Look, your design is ready. Here we are going to learn how you can tie a beautiful knot. As you can see, this is the back side of a top. This is a beautiful polka dot red top strips. As you can see, we're going to tie a knot and then roll it up. Similarly, make another knot using your thumb and then tie a knot. We are making a beautiful bow design. Pull it from both the side, adjust it, and look how pretty this is looking. You can also use it for the front side. Layer your scarf over jackets, coats, or this cardigan for extra warmth and style. You can check this video for beautiful knot design and look how pretty this is looking. Here we are going to make beautiful scarf design with flowers on it. Simply remove both ends of the scarf from the center part and then again we are going to make a knot and look how pretty this is looking. You can use a lightweight stole and wrap for elegant evening outfits. You can save this video for simple tutorial. Look how pretty this is looking. You can use a printed scarf on the top of the plain outfit. It will enhance the look of it, and look how beautiful the bold patterns are looking. You can use a scarf to enhance the look of any outfit. Simply tie a knot and remove both the ends from that hole. Pull it and look, it is ready. You can use a scarf to add sophistication to casual looks. It's an easy upgrade. As you can see, we're going to tie a knot first and wrap it around the neck like we're doing here in this video. Remove both the ends from that knot, pull it and look, it's done. How beautiful this printed scarf is looking. Wrap it around the neck and then remove both the ends by twisting it. After this, we're going to pull it like you can see from the side and remove both the ends again. Pull it like this, adjust it and look, your design is ready. Experiment with different textures and fabrics in your scarf collection. Look how beautiful this printed purple scarf is looking. You can watch our videos and learn how to mix and match for stylish outfits. Tie a knot and look, it is ready. This monochrome look is looking so beautiful. You can discover the art of scarf layering to create depth in your outfit. Here we are going to tie a knot, remove both the ends like this and look how pretty this look is looking. You can use a scarf as a tie like this one and add another layer on the top of the plain outfit. You can use this printed stole or scarf. Tie a knot like we're doing here. In place of this, you can also take a thick fabric or that has a lot of flair to add volume. Now we're going to create this design and it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.